Welcome to this special guide for all the new mothers out there. Breastfeeding is a beautiful and intimate experience, but it can also be challenging. In this video, we'll share essential tips to make this journey easier and more comfortable for both you and your baby. First things first, wear clothing that makes breastfeeding easy. Front-opening Curtis or stretchy t-shirts are ideal as they can be easily lifted or unbuttoned, allowing you to feed your baby with ease. Comfort is key, but don't forget to wear a well-fitted bra. Many mothers skip the bra after breastfeeding, but this can cause your breasts to lose shape. Opt for a nursing bra instead. They're designed for convenience and support. Breast milk leakage can be a common issue. To avoid any discomfort, use disposable or washable breast pads. These pads help keep you dry and comfortable throughout the day. Create a nursing station